Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to change bio on Threads app. Why would you want to know how to change bio on Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Thread and not sure how to change bio on Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to change bio on Threads app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing bio on Threads app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will change bio on Threads app. First of all, open Threads app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and now in this screen click on edit profile, and then click on your bio, and now you can change your bio or also import a bio from Instagram. Now click on check mark and then click on done in the right top corner, and your bio has been changed on Threads. So there you go. If you were wondering how to change bio on Threads app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.